Fields have always attracted birds, and where birds gather, damage follows. For generations, we tried to scare them away. Static shapes, random noise, temporary solutions. They work until they don't. BirdAlert changes the equation. It listens, identifies species, responds only when needed. Not on a timer, not at random, but in real time. Then birds move. You see what happens in your field as it happens. Full insight, clear data, control, wherever you are. Birds move on. Your crops remain protected because modern farming deserves intelligent protection. BirdAlert, smarter bird control,